Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to apply drywall tape to a wall's inside corners. I'll be using a drywall corner tool.
Just a regular old corner tool. I'm going to use my 12-inch taping knife and show you how to do an inside corner on a wall. First thing you want to do is, I like to use paper tape. It just gives you a nice crisp inside corner. So you just want to get your tape out. There's a crease in it. You want to fold this in half. Alright, put that aside for now. Got the mud to kind of yogurt consistency. So you just want to lay it probably about 1 inch wide in the corner. If you got a little gap, push it in there a little bit. Just get it up there, not too thick, but enough to squish it out behind the tape. But I'm going to show you the trick with the corner tool. It's going to lug the whole corner. Like that.
And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. I love helping and sharing with others the tips and tricks that I've developed on my own. So be sure to hit that subscribe button now to keep up with all my latest videos.
All right, so you grab your corner tool. This is going to be the bed for the paper tape to get put in. You just want to glide over it. You don't want to push too hard. You want to leave enough mud for the tape to get bedded. Here's a fold. I want that to go right in the corner. Push it in with your finger lightly. All right, so we're going to want to start from the middle and go up, and then the middle to go down. Have my finger, my index finger right here in the middle of the corner trowel. Just going to go up.
Hope you're enjoying the video.
Just kind of want to go lightly on this section here. Then you want to go down. Barely pushing. Add a little bit of mud to go over the top. And this should be enough mud, just this top section, to pull down and carry through the bottom. Light pressure. Now you can put your fingers out to feather out the line. Just going to get some mud on here first and then come back and hit it like I just did at the top. here's the first coat of the paper tape on the inside corner using the corner trowel.
And for the second coat over the inside corner tape, I did a skim coat, which is a thin layer of joint compound over all of the drywall. I'll leave a link in the card above to the whole skim coating video series.
Skim coat just sanded. There's that corner. Nice looking corner. Nice crisp lines in the whole place.
If you've got a question on how to use a corner tool or how to do inside corners, ask me in the comments section below. Also, let me know what kind of drywall project you're working on. And if you want to learn how to repair your own drywall, perfect your drywall skills, match textures, get tips and tricks from a 20-year drywall and painting contractor, then start right now by hitting the round icon in the center of the screen now to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.